Hello everyone, good to see you in new video of channel How to Use It. And in this video we learn about formulas and especially about formula if. It's a great formula that very often use while you're working with your tables. I try to explain more about this formula, but in every specific way it can be different. But I want you to know the main thing, the basic about this formula, and I try to explain some particular ways in using. Let's imagine situation when you have to calculate and understand in automatic way range of salaries your employees, and you can type equal, and its formula start from if you can do something, when you can expect some result, and if it's not, then you will have another result. Next you have to type brackets, and you can see on the screen the main structure of this formula. I select that cell. When I press comma, and it's very interesting that Google Spreadsheet try to help you fill it according to the structure. Then if it's less then it's low, when it's low salary. In another situation, for example, it's big salary, enter, and we can fill it in automatic way. I agree with this, and we have information about salary of our employees, and it's the easiest way of using this formula. Of course, we can have more difficult situation, but let's try. I show you another way to use this formula. You can type if, then you can choose that option, and Google Spreadsheets help you to understand the structure of this formula. And another way to use formulas in Google Spreadsheets is go to Insert, go to Function, and try to find a function what you want. The best popular formulas at the top, and you can search from all list and try to find what you want, or you can search in some specific lists, and you can press learn more, and you go to some article that can help you with choosing. But let's try to change our formula if conditions in more difficult way. For example, equal if I choose that cell, if it's less than 500, comma, then it's low salary. But it will be mistakes because I didn't put it in quotation marks, because it's text, it's not cell or something else or number. That's why I try to edit. And what if we have to several answers? For example, I press comma, and I can start another if function. So if we have salary less than 500, then it's low salary. In another situation, we try to see in this cell, and if it's more equal to 500, and in that situation I want to type and be to less than 1500, but it's mistake because it's have another structure. And I type and I try to use it in that way. And we can see that we lost one bracket, and now it's okay. So if we have that situation, some range of salary, then it's, for example, normal salary. And in other situation, for example, we can specify it's only in that, for example, big salary. Enter. I agree with this. And so we have an answer: low salary, normal salary, and big salary. So we have correct formula with if, and we use a little bit another formula and, but these formulas use in many situations while you edit your tables. That's why it's good for some example. And if you see previous video about Google spreadsheets, you can highlight every these cells in appropriate color. For example, if it's low salary, then it's maybe red or yellow color. If it's big salary, maybe it's green or some other colors. It's used with conditionals. Go to below video in description and find link to all videos that describe different situation in Google spreadsheets. So if it helps you, try to help for my channel, press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos.